ChatGPT is on its way to becoming a virtual doctor, lawyer, and business analyst. Well, we knew this. The lawyer thing was already underway. And then I was immediately imagining the example of triage at an emergency room. A business analyst, sure, yeah, crunching numbers, whatever. Anything in the services industry you could imagine ChatGPT doing. Tutor, school tutor. ChatGPT is obviously been making all kinds of press these days. My newsfeed's still full of it. And I think I added a couple more interesting ones. I saw some new...
There's so many.
I saw some new 89% of university students, I don't remember where the poll was, have used it to do homework. So they did a smaller number when they were talking about testing, but then a massive number when they're talking about homework. So I don't know. Generating essays, writing exams, and also working for BuzzFeed.
Yeah.
Also working for BuzzFeed. Wharton professor Christian Terwich recently tested technology with questions for his final exam. In other instances, though, ChatGPT made simple mistakes in some calculations. Ultimately, he said the bot would receive a B or B minus on the exam. Well, we already knew this stuff. But yeah, it took I think it took the bar exam, it took the medical exams, and it's not like blowing them away. It's not, it can barely pass, it seems, in most cases, but we're still early, and I think we all know what's going on. I think we all know the writing is on the wall here.
Oh boy.